Welcome to the SolarEdge Learning Lab. This video will cover accessing documentation at SolarEdge.com. To begin, select Education, and then Resources Library. Or go to Support and Resources Library. Enter a product name, or select Choose Product to select a specific type of hardware. Next, select Document Type, and finally, choose Language. Click the title to view in your browser, or select Download to save a copy directly to your computer. Thanks for joining us today. Please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful videos.